Dear students, I welcome you to this video on how to write educational implications. What do you mean by implication? The term implication means suggestion, hint or connotation. Then what is educational implications? Educational suggestions or hints or connotations. Every research is for the development of a system. And here too, in education, we are doing research for the development of education system. So your research is for the development of education system. You have identified some problem areas where you have come out with some findings. Through that findings, you get an idea. That idea you share in this educational arena for the development, for the future development. So that is why we are giving educational implications. The educational implications is for more important in any research. And how to write? Here I would like to give an example. I have taken up a study, achievement of higher secondary students in public exams. For example, I have taken up government aided schools. So I will collect data regarding achievement of students in public exams, the two higher secondary students. So I will take up number of failures, I will take up passing percentage, I will take up first class, and I will take up distinction. In my study, I have come out with the finding that number of failures is more. Then I will give a suggestion that number of failures in government aided schools is more. And we have to take up a study. In that study, we will find out the reasons why number of failures is high in government aided schools. So this is the suggestion that I can give. Then in that study itself, I would have found out differential studies. In differential studies, I would have given personal variables like medium of study, parental economic status, parental educational qualifications, residential area. So in my finding, I have come out with the finding that the Tamil medium students have achieved better than English medium students. Then I will give a suggestion that we should study the reasons for poor performance of English medium students. And this is the suggestion I will give. Then in educational qualification of parents, I have come out with the finding that educationally qualified parents and their wards have achieved better in higher secondary exam means that what could be done in schools so that we can give extra care and support in terms of educational ideas or informations related to the public exams to the students that we can think of. This is the suggestion I will give. Then economic status of parents, the high income group of parents and their wards, the wards of high income parents have achieved more in public exams. For example, this is the finding that I have got. Then what kind of economic support that they get in their homes? So what kind of support we in schools can provide to them? In terms of raising funds and providing some extra additional information, additional books, additional notes, or something like that. So that we will give as a suggestion. Then the residential area, urban students have fared more than rural students. Then we will take up a study, and in that we will find out the reasons for urban students to score better than rural students. Maybe they are more informative and they are having access to internet, and through which they are collecting lot of information like that. If you are getting an idea, then we will give an idea that in school itself, the school teachers or the institution should provide extra care for these children, and they should make up a separate area where they can provide them with internet facilities, or in the library itself they can provide some extra facilities so that they can be more informative on par with urban students. In this way we can give some suggestions. So these suggestions will definitely help the system to grow better. So that is why we are giving education implications. Now I hope you could have understood the importance of educational implications in research. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. We will meet again on another video. Till then, it is bye from Professor Ramakrishnan.